Alright guys, today's going to be pretty quick, pretty simple, pretty easy. All we're going to really talk about, and we're going to do this very briefly, is one quick example, and then after that you guys are going to work on a worksheet of your own. Before we get there though, please remember, if you have any questions, you can call me at 623 478 4905. If you call and leave a message, I'll get back to it as quickly as possible. Just check the YouTube within a couple, well, by the end of the day. Second way is through email at BRIAN, Brian Dog. That's a period, guys. KINDELL at TUHSD.org. Okay. For the two classes that got my cell phone number, please remember you're free to text me at any point in time. For the class that didn't, well, you didn't get it because I didn't think you could handle it. Sorry. Let's go ahead and clear that off, and let's start talking about our first example of the day. Well, our only example of the day, really. 3 Wow, I just had a total brain fart moment. I forgot what I was writing in the middle of it. Sorry guys, I am getting slightly better through this whole thing. Not really much better. I don't even know if you've been able to hear me this whole time because I just realized my microphone has been pointing straight up in the air. But I am getting a little better. I got a little more sleep last night than really I have any time in the last 5 days. But I'm still not entirely coherent. So let's go ahead and start that one over again. Let's talk about y equals mx plus b. And what we're going to do is we're going to use this to solve for m. If I solve for m, please remember just the model from yesterday. X needs to disappear, b needs to disappear. So I come over here and I look at it and I say, what's happening to x? What's happening to b? Well, what's happening to x is it's being multiplied by m. What's happening to b is it is being added to the m. So now we start talking about opposites. Opposite of multiply is divide. Opposite of add is subtract. That's simple. Okay? So now we're going to divide by x, subtract b. Not that complicated. Okay? So if I divide by x, I have to divide each term by x. That can get kind of messy. So instead what I'm going to do is I'm going to start by subtracting b minus b minus b. Y and b are not like terms, but those two cancel out. So I get y minus b equals mx. X is being multiplied. The opposite of that is divide. So we divide both sides by x. Remember, the beauty of formulas or literal equations is that I don't have to simplify too much, guys. I cancel out anything that's the same on top and bottom. But over here, I just get left with y minus b over x equals m. And as we keep working through things, as we keep getting into formulas, and as we keep talking about how we're going to use those, we're going to talk about when you want to simplify a little more and when you don't. Sorry. Just one of those nights. I apologize for that, guys. Now, take a look up here. Need to let you guys know a couple of things, just housekeeping. I will not be back on Monday. My wife is taking a little longer to recover than we thought she would. I will be returning on October 28th, which means next week you guys get the videos too. I will be collecting all of the assignments that have been turned in this week on Saturday, and I'll be hopefully entering those into the gradebook over the next week or so. Make sure you guys get everything turned in on time, and it will be graded. It will be entered into the gradebook. Make sure you're prepared for that. Otherwise, guys, just keep doing your work. Now, what's going to happen is they're about to pass out section 3.7, practice. You know what, right now I don't remember if it's practice A or B, but it's whichever one was run off for today. I want you guys to just complete the worksheet, the entire thing. Entire thing. Now, because I'm asking you to do the word problems as well as the procedural skills, I'm giving you till Monday. So these are due Monday, 10/21. So I'll return on Monday, 10/28. The worksheet is due Monday, 10/21. Ladies and gentlemen, that's the whole video. It was pretty short today. Go ahead and have a great day, and I'll see you guys in a week or so when I get back.